Right. I remember, if I can tell a quick story of prayer. A couple days ago, I got a message from somebody on Facebook who was a listener that she was saying, I'm reaching out to a stranger because I can't reach out to my close friends right now because I'm so broken. That was pretty crazy because they were broke. They had no money for hardly anything, even milk. And she was like having a hard time just being grateful. And yet Jesus, she was grateful for you. And we talked a little bit, and I encouraged her to do something, which was just make a list of everything going right in her life. It's so easy to dwell on what's wrong, but a list of things that are going right. And I thank you, Jesus, because she wrote a couple days later, she's like, man, what a reminder of God's goodness. And we're going to sing a song together, Jesus, called 10,000 Reasons. It's kind of our list of all the things we have to be grateful for. And we'll just ask that you would remind us of these every day and center us when we feel so off in life. When things throw us so off kilter, recenter us and remind us of all the reasons